To perform first setup on Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10, first of all, you will need to open a Google Play Store or any other store that you have on your smartphone device. Next step is to look for an app called Xiaomi Home. Make sure that you also use Wi-Fi just to make that process a bit faster, and then you can find this app right here. In this case, I can update it. I'm gonna skip it for the process of this setup. So when you have the app installed, click on it, then log into your Xiaomi account. It is very, very important, otherwise you won't be able to add your robot. Then click on this plus button and select Add Device. And make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on and also that your Wi-Fi is connected. Preferably not to 5G, but I guess we can try it on 5G as well, we'll see. Now power on your robot with this power switch.
Turning off. Turning on.
And when your robot is powered on, you will need to wait until it's available on this list. If it doesn't show up, then you might need to find it on the list right here. So let's look for a robot. Select your E10 series. And then you will need to perform device reset. That means a Wi-Fi network reset for the robot. Click on this button and then click on both home button and power button at the same time to reset network options for the robot.
Resetting the Wi-Fi connection and entering network configuration mode.
And now we just need to wait until our robot is discoverable. From here, select the Wi-Fi network for the robot and enter a password for that network. I'm gonna do it off screen. Okay, so the connection is complete. Now we need to pick a room that we want to use for our robot. Move to the next step and name our robot however we like. And after all that, our robot will be connected with the app. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.